All right, let's dive in. Today we're talking about something we do every day, but maybe don't think about enough: hygiene. I mean, it's a huge deal, right? It's basically the foundation of our health, and we're going to break down exactly why.
So check this out. Everything we're going to talk about today, it comes from these notes right here. And what's so cool is that they show us the secret to being healthy isn't some brand new fancy science. Nope. It's an ancient idea, all about how these small, simple things we do every day add up to a long, healthy life. And the story of hygiene goes way, way back. I mean, look at the word itself. Hygiene comes from Hygeia. She was the Greek goddess of health. How cool is that? It just goes to show you, for literally thousands of years, people have known that hygiene and health are, well, they're basically two sides of the same coin. Hygiene pretty much just means goodness of health.
Okay, so what does all that ancient Greek stuff mean for us, right here, right now? Let's get right to the heart of it.
When you boil it all down, hygiene is really just about our habits. The things we do to stay clean. And why do we do them? For one super important reason: to stay healthy and stop diseases from spreading. It's our best defense and, honestly, our best offense too.
All right, let's zoom in a bit and make this personal. Because the most powerful place hygiene starts is with you. Seriously, think of it like your own personal health shield, fighting off germs and illness. And personal hygiene is, well, it's pretty much exactly what it sounds like, isn't it? It's all the stuff you do to keep your own body clean. We're talking everything from washing your hands to combing your hair, just taking care of the outside. And when you look at this list, what's so striking is how simple it all is, right? This isn't some complicated medical checklist. It's the basics. Washing your hands before you eat, taking a shower, putting on clean clothes, even just keeping your nails trimmed. These are the building blocks of a healthy life. So what's the end game here? Why bother with all this? It's actually pretty profound. The whole point is to improve your quality of life. I mean, every time you do one of these little things, you're making an investment in your own happiness and well-being. Every single day. And get this, it's not just about not getting sick. The benefits go so much deeper. Good hygiene actually has a huge impact on your mental health. It can boost your confidence, and your social health too. It just makes being around other people easier and more pleasant. It's the whole package. Okay, but here's where things get really interesting. Your personal habits, they don't just stop with you. They create this powerful ripple effect that starts in your house and spreads out to your whole neighborhood, your whole community. So let's break that down into two levels. You've got domestic hygiene. That's all about keeping your home clean and your family safe from germs. Then you've got community hygiene, which is the bigger picture. It's about all the practices that keep everyone in the community healthy. And the key thing to remember is that these two things are totally connected. They feed into each other. A clean house helps make the community healthier, and a healthier community helps protect every single house in it. It all works together to improve life for literally everyone. Now, being healthy isn't just about starting good habits. It's also about stopping the bad ones. So let's talk about a few things we should probably stop doing right now. All right, here are 5 big ones to avoid. Number 1, not washing your hands right after using the toilet. Come on, this is a huge one. 2, sharing things like towels or dirty clothes. That's just asking for trouble. 3, biting your nails. That's like a super highway for germs straight into your system. 4, not brushing your teeth every day. This affects way more than just bad breath. And number 5, sneezing or coughing without covering your mouth. You're basically launching germs at everyone around you. Let's not do that. And hey, if you ever think these little things don't matter, just think about this. Doctors, nurses, they live by these rules. They have to use the absolute highest level of hygiene to stop diseases from spreading in hospitals. What we do every day, it's the exact same idea, just on a personal scale. Okay, so let's put all the pieces together now. Let's really look at that incredible chain reaction that starts with these super simple, everyday habits. If there's one thing you take away from all this, let it be this. Your hygiene is never just about you. Of course, it helps you stay healthy. But it also has this huge positive effect on everyone around you, your family, your friends, everybody. This really shows that ripple effect in action. Look, it starts with something small. You wash your hands. Step 1. The immediate benefit, you don't get sick. That's the personal win. Then, because you're healthy, your home is safer.
That's the family win. And that scales up even more, right? It means fewer germs are spreading around your town. That's the community win. See how it works?
So let's wrap this up with a final thought. Every single day, with every little habit, you're creating a ripple that goes out into the world. So the question is, what kind of ripple are you creating?